Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how we can use ChatGPT to convert manual sewing instructions into Simly 2D step-by-step instructions. Most times we know how to generate manual patterns. If you get into YouTube, you see a lot of different kinds of styles that people give you manual instructions on how to generate manually. But what if I told you that we can use those instructions, get it into ChatGPT, and ChatGPT will tell us exactly, step by step, tool by tool, that we can use on Simly 2D to generate that same pattern, but this time digitally. If that is what interests you, then let's get started. Hi, my name is Enorita James, and in my channel, I take you by the hand and I show you how to transit from manual pattern drafting to digital pattern drafting. It doesn't matter whether you know anything at all about CAD pattern drafting. And I use a completely free CAD pattern drafting software called Simly 2D. So let's get straight now to the video. The very first thing you need to do is to get to YouTube and then find out any video talking about the kind of style you want to generate using Simly 2D CAD pattern drafting software. Before I go on the video, this video is actually for you if you have gone through the learning of the sewing pattern drafting tools of Simly 2D. By the end of this video, I'm going to show you my playlist in case you don't even know anything about CAD pattern drafting. If you've learned how to do your basic blocks with Simly 2D, then this video will be very interesting for you. If you do not know anything about CAD pattern drafting, this video might sound quite foreign to you. So first of all, as I said, get into YouTube, look for a video talking about the kind of style that you want. For instance, this video is talking about how to create a bustier, a corset for the beginner, how to sew a corset for the beginner. And once you have the YouTube video, you go up here and you're going to copy the link of the YouTube video. And when you copy it, you come here to this youtubetranscript.com. It's free to use. And then you paste that video right here. And once you've pasted it, you just click on Get Transcript. And once you get the transcript, the next stage is for us to copy that transcript and we'll take it to ChatGPT. This normally takes some time, but it will give you the transcript right here once it is ready. Another way you can get your transcript is if you scroll down here and go to the video and click on More in whatever video that you want to transcribe to Simly 2D instructions. If you go down here, you see where they say show transcript. If we click on that, it's going to show the transcript right here. But it's showing it with timestamps. So what you can do is to come here and click these three dots, toggle timestamps, and then you can now copy this. So once you copy this, you now get to your ChatGPT. In ChatGPT, this is the instructions or prompt I gave to ChatGPT when I started. I told ChatGPT, I want to give you a transcript on how to draft a corset. So it depends on what it is that you want to draft. If you want to draft a trouser suit, if you want to draft a skirt suit, just look for any YouTube video that you understand the manual drafting instructions and just get that transcript. And when you're giving the prompt to ChatGPT, You can change this place I wrote corset to whatever style it is that you want the ChatGPT to give you instructions on using Simly 2D. So I gave you that instruction. I want you to use this YouTube transcript and write a step-by-step instructions on how to draft this corset with Simly 2D. And I told you that I will also upload an EU size 32 basic block so that from that pattern, you will instruct me step by step on how to create the corset from the basic block. Now, if you do not know how to create a basic block on Simly 2D, you can skip this part and just tell it to tell you step by step instructions from beginning on how you can create the particular pattern that you want to create. So once I gave it that instruction, this is what it gave me. It told me what to provide, my YouTube script, the EU size, and all that. So I went ahead and provided it with a picture of the basic blocks that I created on Simly 2D. These are the basic blocks that I already created on Simly 2D. I gave it the picture, front and back, and sleeve. And then it now told me that it still needs me to give it the measurement set I used to create this basic block. That is EU size 32. And I uploaded this. I'm going to show you where you can get this on my YouTube channel towards the end of this video. I'll show you where you can get this measurement set, where you can download it completely free. So I now gave it the measurement set and I gave it the transcript. That's the transcript I copied. I gave it that transcript. It's very long. So now it's now going to tell it now told me what it's going to do, you know. So this is where it is started giving me the instructions. And believe me, the instructions are very detailed. If you do not know how to use Simly 2D, it might not really make much sense. But because I use Simly 2D, I've seen that the instructions are quite detailed on how I can convert that my basic block into this corset top. Everything. It was able to extract the measurements for EU size 32. It was able to extract all the measurements here that it's going to use. It was able to show me how to prepare the bodice block for the corset. Everything. First, it told me to hide the shoulder line, the armhole curve, which I know that has to be hidden because that corset actually doesn't have a shoulder line. So he kept on telling me what to do. I should keep the bust point, the waistline, the side seam, and the center front line. And now it showed me how we are going to define the corset vertical limits. Everything, exactly, telling me how many centimeters above the bust apex, how to do it, how to get that soft sweetheart height, you know, how to lower the corset line, everything, you know. It's really amazing what you can do with ChatGPT, especially if you want to learn how to use Simly 2D and convert your manual patterns to CAD pattern drafting. So that is it. This video is not very long, just to let you know that you can actually use ChatGPT to, you know, create or to give you instructions on how you can actually convert your basic block to the exact style that you want using Simly 2D, a completely free CAD pattern drafting software. So go ahead and try your hands on this. Check out any style you want on YouTube. Copy the transcript. Give it that instructions to ChatGPT and see what it's going to give to you. You know, can you imagine? Very detailed. Very, very detailed. So before I end the video, so this is my YouTube channel. Let me go to my YouTube channel so I can show you in case you actually want to learn, you know, you want to learn how to do CAD pattern drafting and you don't even know where to start. I have a playlist. I have a Simly 2D playlist here. Let me see. Yeah, Simly 2D CAD pattern drafting course. I think this is okay for you if you want to go through this route. And you can see this below all my videos. If you're watching, even this one you're watching, once you go down, you'll see it below any of my videos. For instance, let's get to manage videos. If you get to one of my videos, this is one of my videos. Just come here to where you see more. And then when you scroll down, I have here a pattern drafting course. This is a paid course. For those of you that really want to learn how to do your pattern drafting using Simly 2D, you want something that is streamlined, know where to start and where to end. Then, as I said in the beginning, I was going to show you where you can download your measurement chart. In case you want to use that method I just showed you, using ChatGPT to instruct you how you can actually create a design digitally. So this is where you can download it. Just click this link. It takes you to where you can download the measurement chart. And then if you're interested in buying any of my PDF patterns, you can click here. So let me now show you what I wanted to show you. That is here, my playlist. My playlist, the very first one here, Simly 2D free CAD pattern drafting software. I have over 25 videos here. If you're a beginner, you don't know anything about CAD pattern drafting, go watch that playlist. Every information you need is right there. It will take you through everything that you need to know. So that is the playlist. There are a lot of videos. In fact, I have 31 videos. 31 videos here. Anything you need to know how to generate a digital pattern using a completely free CAD pattern drafting software is right here. So with that, I've come to the end of this video. Try your hands on it. Drop your comments. Did it help you? Especially as a beginner to CAD pattern drafting. Did it help you? Did you find it easy? Did you find the instructions easy? Or was it difficult? If you have any kind of challenges, don't hesitate to drop your comments below this video. And once again, thank you so much for watching to the end and stay tuned for my next video.